Hi everyone. How are you all doing today? Welcome back. It's been a long time, you guys. A lot has happened. Oh my goodness, so much has happened in this past year or months that I've not been on here, but I'm back. And let me introduce myself if you don't know who I am. My name is Carlene. I am the CEO of the TPW Academy, which stands for The Power Within, where I teach you how to take your day back 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day at a time. And today's video is about some personal and dear to my heart and something all people should know. So recently my mom had passed. Yes, it's okay everyone. I'm okay. It was hard, but I'm taking it 1 day, 1 hour, 1 minute at a time to stay on track, to get my feelings in order, but I'm okay. And she's the inspiration for this video today, because what I learned in the process of my mom passing away is things you should know and have and be ready for, whether it's your passing or someone else's passing. First and foremost, let's talk about the thing that's like, let's talk about life insurance, and how to get it, and how some people think it's so expensive or so costly and they just can't afford it. That's not true. It's not. I promise y'all it's not true. The simplest way to get the cheapest life insurance that doesn't break the bank, let's start with a bank account. But not just any bank account, at a credit union. Y'all didn't know that? If you go to a credit union, you can get life insurance. How low? You can get life insurance for under $10. And it can cover your whole family. And you can get as little as $50,000. It'll cover a funeral. It'll leave some money for the kids. Depending on how big your family is, it don't matter. But it will cover a funeral. When my mom left, she had 8 kids, 24 grandkids. Her policy was $20,000. And she had borrowed against it, so she only really had 15. And we were still able to have a really nice funeral with that. Forgive me, I don't know why my light went out, but we're gonna fix that real quick. I don't know why my light went out, but we just gonna keep on going. Forget that ring light. But yeah, with 15, we made it work. But things we learned in the process of having this funeral. The good thing is we had an insurance policy. My mom didn't go through a credit union. I got her insurance policy about 15 years earlier. So she just kept up with it, which is great. I am so proud of her for keeping up with her life insurance. The other thing she had that we didn't know, that we should have had and been putting away because we weren't prepared at all, was cash. We didn't have cash on hand. Luckily my brother did, but the rest of us, we wasn't ready. I think we was in disbelief that she was leaving, or that she could be leaving, because we took every day and spent every time and spent every dollar with her. We did not care. As long as we was with our mom, we did not care. But if you're planning yours, or knowing that somebody in your family is at the point where they're coming up on that because their health says any day or any time, not today, not tomorrow, but any time beyond that, then you need to put cash away. And let me tell you what you need the cash for. The cash is for the banquet hall, because they don't take the insurance policy. Only people that are okay with the insurance policy will let you move forward is the funeral home. The funeral home is the only people that are okay to wait to get paid, as long as they know there's an insurance policy on demand. So they can wait. They won't be so stickler about, we need the money today before you get it. As long as they got the insurance policy, they know it can be paid and they can go through the insurance, or you can have the check sent to you immediately, they're okay. So that's one part down. But the cash is for the room. Where are you going to have it at? Where are you going to book? Because you got to give them money. They don't take insurance. Also, food, the caterer. You need money for the caterer. The food to buy, the things like that. For the decorations. Decorations don't take insurance money. They only take cash. If most funerals, people get t-shirts made, clothing, the attire. You need cash for that. Cash. These are 4 things that happens that people have in funerals. A place to have it, somebody to cater it, the clothing, and the decorations. Meaning flowers, balloons, table if you're doing it, or wherever place you have it, you want it to look nice. So you need money for that. Off top. Now, I would say you should put away about 3 racks at a minimum. 3 to 5. Depending on how you want it, who you're going to go through to pay to decorate it, and the food, the clothes, all of that. 3,000 to 5,000 racks put away. 3 at the minimum. And don't forget, what if your car's not working? You need rental car money? Yes. 3 to 5 racks on cash. Cash you need to have. Slowly start putting it away now. Yes. And then also with the credit unions, I live in Minnesota, so we have different type of credit unions that you can go through to get it. And you know, you got Unit 1, Wing Credit Union, Associate Health Credit Union, Blaze Credit Union. I go through City and County Credit Union. It's all different credit unions. And what I have learned, though, any credit union in the United States offer life insurance. Low cost for members. And AAA, let's say you don't have a credit union, but you do AAA for your car. They offer life insurance. You don't have to get the biggest one. Start off small and work your way up until you get the one that you want. Say that you wanted a $100,000 one, but right now you can only afford to, then get a $50,000 life insurance and get the family. And then what y'all don't know is it covers your kids up until they're 25. And then when your kids 25, you have them go open a credit union. Now, this is what I would say with the credit unions, y'all. Find one that doesn't require you to have money in your account or make deposits all the time if you're tight on money. Where you can put like a $5 in the savings and the checking doesn't have to have a balance. And you don't get charged monthly. Stay with it. Put some money in it every now and then. Get a deposit going through every so often. And you'll get that letter in the mail offering you some life insurance. And when they offer it, you make sure if you don't do nothing else, you put that money, you apply and you put that money in there to pay that life insurance. You don't do nothing else. Because in the end, you will feel solid. And then the savings account, start to put like $50 in there. And you ain't got to get a card to it. Just start to put it. Connect it to another account if you got a bank account. But if you don't, go down to the bank and drop that money off and put it in there. And let it build itself up. Eventually, you'll have some money. You'll have it for the kids. And you can put their name on it. Split it 50-50. And then if there's certain things you want to have done or certain items you have in the house, write it down and get it notarized. Give a copy to the kids. Or even if you don't want to give a copy to the kids, tell them where they can find everything they need to find. Make sure they have the information so they can get it. So they know what they're doing. And don't be scared to ask questions. Call the credit union. Ask them if something was to happen, how fast can they get the check if they need it? Can it be expedited? Is it a 2-week process? What's the process? Ask these questions, because I will say our mom's process was very helpful. Our life insurance that we had with our mom, they expedited the check in about 7 to 10 days. We took a month to have my mom's funeral, but it was 7 to 10 days, which was great. So from the time you find out, get the check expedited and work from that point. I would say be understanding, be friendly, be kind to each other. It's a very trying time. But if you don't want to think about it at that time, just start putting things in places now. Start writing things out. Start getting stuff together today. which will make the time easier for either you or your next of kin if it's for you. Yes, yes, yes. So with this video that we talked about, I know I was kind of a little jumpy and around, wasn't trying to though. The main thing is, the main key core is you can get life insurance through your credit union, and you can get it for a low cost price. You just check the credit union in the state that you live in and find one, again, that you don't have to have a balance in all the time, where you can get a savings account and a checking account, and where you have to have like maybe a $5 or $10 that you have to keep in your checking, and you don't have to have any money in your $5 to $10 in your savings, and you don't have to have money in your checking. That will be easy for people who are on a budget and can't keep a direct deposit going through at this time. Go with that one. Then every so often, as I said, have money going through the checking account. Use it. Put some money in there. Withdraw it. Put some money in there. Play with it. Put some money in there. Just don't let it get negative. So in the future, in the amount of time they will send you something in the mail where you get to pick some insurance, and mine started off as low as $750. Right now I got $50,000 for $7.50. I pay every first of the month, but they just sent me something that says I can take it up. Like if I want to get $75,000 coverage for me and my family, it'll cost me $11.25. Not bad, y'all. If I want to get $100,000 for my family, it's $15. $150, $22, $200, $30. And this is because I'm a member. And I do it for my family. So it's covering my kids, my grandkids, my nieces and nephews, yes. So, yes. City and County Credit Union. This is where I get my life insurance at in Minnesota. So, wherever state you live in, you can get it. Wednesday, stop! Excuse my dog. Hey! Cage! 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 Excuse me, everyone. Cage! Cage, you little girl. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I do have a dog. But back to what I was saying. I do get my insurance through my credit union. You can get insurance through your credit union. You can also get insurance through AAA. Their prices, I had their paper, but I can't seem to find it right now. They have low prices too. They're low, and you just have to wait till they send you something in the mail. I have AAA through my phone company, and they send me a letter for life insurance through AAA. So if you got AAA, AARP, I believe you can get life insurance through those too. So don't think that you can't get life insurance for you and your family. It's possible. We can make a way. Also, you have to have cash on demand. You need cash. 3 to 5 racks will help you to book the room, do the catering, do the attire and decorations. 3 to 5,000, depending on how big your family is and what plans you want to have installed. Again, my mom had 8 kids, 24 grandkids, and a tons of friends. With the 8 kids, the 24 grandkids, and spouses, 4 racks helped us to be able to buy shirts, get food, and book her room. And my mom passed away around the holiday time. We had to do her funeral around Christmas time. So just imagine, a lot of places were booked. They were at a higher price because a lot of places are having holiday parties. So again, 3 to 5,000 will get you together. And there was about 45 of us all together when we were doing shirts and stuff. We got shirts done, and we ordered food. We did rental cars. So again, 3 to 5,000 will help you guys out, and we have a big family. Yes, cash on demand. Again, and another thing is, when it comes to you having stuff in your house, write you up a will. Write things down for the kids. Let them know where they can find stuff, or let a family member that you trust. Let them know where they can find everything. You don't have to tell everybody how big your insurance policy is. Just tell them where they can find it when the time comes. Okay? Well, I hope this helps someone. If you believe this information can help, please pass it along. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit like. Again, my name is Carlene Hill. I am the CEO of the TPW Academy, stands for The Power Within, which I help you take your day back 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day at a time. Thank you so much for bearing with me. Please forgive my dog for making all the noise. And ladies, I'm back. I'm back. And thank you all so much. It's a trying time for me because my mother had passed, but just know I'm taking my day back. I'm taking my energy back like y'all are. Every day, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day at a time. Thank you so very much, and God bless.